Okay, let's start. Today looks like we don't have that many participants in the meeting. But anyway, as you know, and as always, this meeting is recorded and will be uploaded to public internet. So watch what you were saying. I don't have a whole lot of updates this week. I didn't hear back from Harry about the equivalence cache. I think he hasn't shared the document with SIG scheduling, as far as I can tell. At least I haven't seen any emails. There are some stuff. I've spoken with Tim Alclair from the policy work group regarding pod scheduling policies. He believes that the pod scheduling policies still need some work. Yassine has been working on pod scheduling policies. So I will follow up with Yassine and Tim Alclair to get things sorted out with respect to pod scheduling policies. Jonathan has filed quite a few issues which are related to refactoring scheduler. Those are all great, and I have to really thank all of you folks who have contributed. I'm really proud to be a part of this community, which has so many enthusiasts. All of those issues were taken within hours, and there are already a lot of PRs out for making those changes. I thank you very much for all of your efforts. So let's see. As you know, code freeze is now over, and our PRs are getting merged into the master branch. We are probably about 2 months away from the next code freeze, or maybe this time around it could actually be a little closer as well, given the holidays. So make sure that your PRs make it to the next code freeze before the deadline, basically. Okay. That's pretty much all the stuff that I've been working on. I actually wanted to speak with Wei. Wei, I don't know if you saw my comments on the PR that you sent for supporting multiple pods in Affinity. So basically for interpod affinity. Since we have, well, I guess, a little bit more time this week, it's not a bad idea if you have if we can basically discuss that. So I thought that we didn't need to do all those bitwise operations and keeping the bit mask at all. What's your take?
Yeah, if it's true. Yeah, I'm also thinking of that, because if we are using that bitmap, we have to at least add some kind of validation for that. And so my original thought to introduce the bitmap is it can make the code simpler.
Okay.
And I mean in the operation side, but not in the understanding the code side, right? So if you want, if we don't use bitmap, maybe we have to use another slice or something to record which
I think the check that you were doing in a code using the bit mask was not necessary, really.
I kind of doubt it. Well, let's discuss offline, actually.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So that is going forward. I believe Ravi has been working on is working on several issues this week. Ravi, if you have any updates for us, please share them with us.
Nothing, but there is one specific to descheduler that I've started working on to move it to another, the SIG repo, basically. I haven't sent out an email requesting for the new repo, but I have started working on that for descheduler.
Okay. Sounds good. So, so your next plan is to add simulation stuff that you were talking about, or what are the next steps?
As of now, I did not update the roadmap, but once I move it to the new repo, I will update the roadmap that these are like the high priority things. And if there are people in the community who would like to contribute, I'd be more than happy to work with them on those things.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure there are people who would like to contribute. So, and Descheduler is also an important component. We all think that it should be a part of Kubernetes. I mean, standard part of Kubernetes. It's very valuable for our contributors to consider contributing code. But I think at this point, a lot of people are not fully aware of our plans on developing it. And so once the plan is clarified, we should start creating issues and maybe break them down into like bite-size, issues so that people who are not fully familiar with Descheduler can start contributing and getting more familiar. So once you have those ideas in mind and it's clarified, please start creating issues and add help wanted labels on them. Hopefully we will find contributors.
Sure, I will.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Okay. Is there any other question, comments, updates? Otherwise, we can cut this meeting short because I don't really have much updates this week either. Okay. All right. Okay, then let's finish this meeting today. I'll see some of you folks next week. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.